What you're seeing here is the installation of a 450-pound marble bust of Abraham Lincoln. What we're doing is using an engine lift to lift this piece up to the level it needs to be moved and then installed, and then moving it into place and lowering it into position. What you can see is that we've arranged very specific kinds of roping to lift that safely and carefully without having it tip over or any other things happen to it. And it's mainly made of a harness for belaying down mountains. So now we've got it located, and now we're going to measure it, make sure everything's plumb, and then remove the ropes, and we're done.